So I bought this 5-port gigabit switch from Amazon. Now I'm going to show what my speed is if I have a LAN cable directly coming from the router. So I'll go for the speed, and I'm getting almost 350-300, right? My plan is for 200 Mbps, so this is what the speed I'm getting. Now what I'll do is I'll take away this LAN cable and I'll fix it in the router, in the switch LAN port that I've bought. Give me a second. Oh, sorry. And then the yellow cable that's coming out from the router, I'm going to plug it in my laptop. As you can see, there is no internet connection right now. I'm going to plug it. And we have internet over here. Right? So I'm going to refresh the page. And for some reason it doesn't go above 100. This just blows my mind. It's a gigabit switch. It says here the speeds are 10, 100 and 1000. It's a gigabit switch, and this internet speed doesn't go above 100. I mean, I can open the LAN connector here and it will say 1 Gbps over here. But on speed test, it doesn't give me the results at all. Like, it doesn't connect to the internet at the same above 100 rate. So it's a faulty product. Like, there's nothing can be done. Buyers beware, I guess.
Speed test sulla TV collegata tramite switch. Con fibra Vodafone da 1 giga, ovviamente la TV non supera i 100 mega, perfetto. E speed test su connessione PS5. Vedete, stato connessione, verifica la connessione, ok. ...670 MB di download, ottimo. Perfetto, consigliato, ottimo.
now, and it goes away. It's not working.